What's good? I'm THREEJS. I'm opening this box today. First thing out of the box, we've got the Magical Butter decarb box. You're gonna put your buds in this, your flowers in this, you're gonna decarb them in the oven, and this really simplifies decarbing your herbs before you put them in the machine. What else do we got? Hey, we got the magical spatula set. We're gonna set that right here. Hopefully they're all in the screen. We've got another micron filter bag. So that's good for straining your herbs once they come out of the machine. Nice one. Looks like we've got some Magical Butter gummy molds or food molds, chocolates, whatever you want to make. You can put them in here, cool it. Now we've got the MB2e, the new rebrand. It's really great. There's a lot of really interesting things about the rebrand that I'll probably go into in another video. All of this is pretty much what you could want to get started with your Magical Butter machine. They open from the top, so you just want to undo these stickers, and we're gonna that. We've got some other things. We've got the Love Glove. If I'm not mistaken, the Love Glove can withstand up to 420 degrees temperature. It's really good. It's a really cool mitt you can use to get your foods out of the oven. We've got the Magical Owner's Cookbook and the Magical Owner's Manual. And now we've got the machine. This is the new Magical machine. It's got the M engraved, or whatever you would call it, imprinted on the machine. The top has been redone with some baby blue for the buttons. Really nice. I'll show you how to use this. Again, the molds, some filters. We've got the plug. Super easy with the plug. All we're gonna do, it's real easy. It goes in here just like that. Just like that. So that works. Super Sips. Magical Butter decarb box. We'll open this thing up. Manual, temperature, thermometer. This as well. Shout out to the homies at Magical. Really stoked to have the new machine, and about to get going, about to get some stuff going. Oh! Almost forgot something. The Magical Spatula set. Really, really dope. It matches my shirt. There we go. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Great. These are really firm. Really nice. Nice material. I feel really good about using these. We're going to get right into it shortly.